Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the Wi-Fi pairing on your Canon TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the gear icon. Now select device settings. And after that, basically select the other device settings. Now we need to go over to the, let me quickly go here, go to Wi-Fi pairing settings, and here click enable or disable pairing. So here you guys can basically set it as active or inactive. It's all up to your preference, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.